Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about cubes. We've been learning about attributes of shapes all week, and today we're going to focus on one of our three-dimensional shapes. As you can see on the screen, I have one cube drawn on the screen already. I want you to think, what shape are the faces? If you don't know what faces are, I have the definition below. Repeat after me. Faces. Flat pieces of the cube. Flat pieces of the cube. So I'm going to count the faces that I have on the cube. I see here that the faces are in the shape of a square. And I'm going to highlight one whole face so that you can see one face of the cube. Oops. Sorry, it's a little messy. All right. So the cube has a face that is shaped like a square. Let's count how many faces the cube has. I'm going to be putting one pink dot on each face to keep track of the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cube has 6 faces. Now let's think about the edges. I have the definition of edges down below. Repeat after me. Edges or sides. Sides that connect the vertices. Sides that connect the vertices. So now we're going to count the edges of the cube. So first I'm going to go back and erase all of what we've drawn so that we can count the edges. I will be highlighting the edges with a red marker so that you can see how I'm counting edges. So know that the edges are the same as sides. Sides that connect the vertices. So let's count them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cubes have 12 edges or sides. 12. Awesome. Lastly, we need to count the vertices, which is another word for corner. I have the definition below. Repeat after me. Vertices, corner, where the sides meet. So the vertices are where the edges meet. I'm going to erase what I've highlighted, and then we're going to count the edges using a yellow highlighter so that we can see exactly where the edges are. All right, repeat after me or count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 vertices or 8 corners. Good job. Now we're going to practice drawing a cube. So you're going to need the following materials. I'm going to type them here on the screen. Materials. You need a piece of paper, pencil, or crayon. Now I prefer that you use a pencil just in case you make a mistake and you need to erase. So go ahead and pause the video, gather your materials, and come back. All right, so we're gonna draw a cube together, step by step. So our first step is to draw a square. So I'm gonna start off drawing a square. Now, yours can be much better than mine, but I'm drawing on the computer, so it's not going to be perfectly straight. So I did the first step, draw a square. Step 2, draw a dot in the middle, just like this. Step 3, draw another square in the middle. So I'm going to start from my dot and draw another square. There we go. Step 4, draw dots on all the corners. So you can draw dots like this on all the corners. Because we are creating the sides. We're connecting them. Awesome. And then you will draw parallel lines to connect the dots. So you can go back and draw lines over the dots. And there you have it, your own cube. Now I want you to keep on practicing because it's very difficult when you have never drawn a cube before. So follow the steps and keep practicing until you get the perfect cube. Then I want you to log back onto Google Classroom and upload your picture of your cube so that your teacher can see it.